How to find closed DMs on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can find closed DMs on Discord. So let me show you. First of all, I'll simply open my Discord app on my mobile device and then let me go to a random DM. So for now, I'll simply close this DM right over here. So I'll long press on it and then tap on the option close. But before closing, simply remember the name of the person whom you are closing the DM. So in my case, it is currently Yin. So since once I close my DM, as you can see, this person will not appear over here. So their DM has been closed. Now the only way on how you can find closed DM by simply remembering their name and then simply type it in over here. Now once you've done that, tap on it and then you'll have successfully opened their DM on Discord once again. So currently there is no option or a page where you can see the list of all of the different closed DMs you have. So before you close a DM, you'll have to remember the name of the person whom you are closing the DM. So that is the one and only way on how you can find closed DMs on Discord. And just so you know, if you don't know their name, there is no way on how you can find their DM on Discord. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.